Here's how I transform my space into a serene sanctuary. Picture immersing yourself in the enchanting sense of a fairy tale forest, where every breath feels calming and uplifting. Hi there, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today I will guide you through creating your own fairy tale forest reed diffuser that will fill your home with a soothing aroma that transports you to a peaceful woodland setting. In this video, you'll learn how to craft 3 beautiful reed diffuser recipes using our exclusive DIY reed diffuser kit with natural ingredients and pure essential oils. You'll be able to evoke a sense of calm and comfort in any room in your home. The kit includes everything you need to create your enchanting diffuser, making it simple and enjoyable to enhance your living space with delightful fragrances. These ingredients can also be found on simplyearth.com. We all crave a peaceful environment, but sometimes life stresses can negatively cloud our space. Many store-bought air fresheners contain harsh chemicals that can overwhelm your senses, often doing more harm than good. Fortunately, creating a natural atmosphere filled with uplifting fragrances doesn't need to be complicated. Introducing the Fairy Tale Forest Reed Diffuser. This captivating blend of essential oils will infuse your home with calming scents that rejuvenate your spirit. Simply set up your reeds in the diffuser vessel and let the warm aroma envelop your space. You'll love how effortlessly this diffuser enhances your environment. It's not just a decorative piece, it becomes a soothing ritual, making your home a heaven of tranquility and joy. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make these fairy tale forest reed diffuser recipes from Simply Earth. In this kit, you'll get perfumer's alcohol, 3 diffuser vessels, and unicorn essential oil, timber essential oil, 2 reed bouquets, and diffuser reeds. To make this recipe, in each diffuser vessel, you'll be using 150 drops of essential oil, a 1/3 cup of perfumer's alcohol, and 5 reed pieces. Let's make the recipe. First, arrange the reed bouquets and reeds as desired into the 3 vessels. We recommend using approximately 5 pieces per vessel. Remove your arrangements from the vessel and set aside to be added later. Add essential oil or essential oil combination to the reed diffuser vessel. Slowly add the perfumer's alcohol to the reed diffuser vessel. Use a reed to stir the alcohol and the essential oil until the essential oil is solubilized. The alcohol will become tinted and match the natural color of the essential oil. Add the diffuser reed arrangement from step 1 to the vessel. Allow the reeds to soak the alcohol and essential oil base for around an hour. Flip the reeds to diffuse the aroma. To use, place diffusers that are out of reach of pets and children. Flip the reed diffusers as needed to scent the room. Refresh the diffuser with perfumer's alcohol and essential oils as needed. With extended use, the reeds will need to be replaced. We've included some extra replacement pieces in this kit. More replacement reeds can be found at simplyearth.com. I can't get over how refreshing this reed diffuser is. The unique combination of scents brings a touch of nature indoors. It's such an effortless way to create an inviting and peaceful atmosphere. You can make this too. Don't miss out on this aromatic experience. Grab your DIY reed diffuser kit from Simply Earth and start creating your fairy tale forest reed diffuser today. I can't wait to see your creations. Share your aromatic diffusers on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using #IMadeThis. Join our #IMadeThis challenge to win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Tell me in the comments how much you love these reed diffusers. Like and subscribe to these videos. Thanks for watching.